The 1000W folding electric bike has emerged as a standout option for urban commuters and recreational cyclists alike, combining power, portability, and performance in a sleek design. This electric bike boasts a 1000W motor and a 48V 20AH removable battery, making it a compelling choice for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient mode of transport that doesn't sacrifice style for functionality. From the moment I received the bike, its folding feature impressed me. Weighing in at around 50 pounds, it folds swiftly, making it easy to store in tight spaces, whether in your apartment, office, or car trunk for weekend getaways. This portability makes it a viable option for those living in urban environments where space is at a premium. Once folded, it takes on a compact form that is easy to manage in transport. The bike's assembly was a breeze. Most of the components arrived pre-installed, requiring only minimal setup. Attaching the pedals and handlebars was straightforward. Within 20 minutes, I was ready to take my first ride. The included user manual is thorough, providing clear instructions that even a novice could follow. On the road, the 1000W motor truly shines. This bike has the capability to reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, which is exhilarating for any cyclist. Whether I was cruising along bike paths or tackling steep inclines, the motor provided ample power, allowing me to glide effortlessly without breaking a sweat. The pedal assist feature can be adjusted to suit your riding preference, offering levels from eco-friendly to full throttle. This versatility makes it suitable for both leisurely rides and more intense commutes. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its impressive range. With a maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, it eliminates any anxiety about running out of battery during longer commutes or leisurely weekend trips. The removable battery is another excellent feature. It allows for easy charging, meaning you don't have to bring the entire bike inside or find an outdoor outlet. I found that charging the battery took around 4 to 6 hours, and I could easily swap it out for a spare if needed, making long-distance travel stress-free. The bike also comes equipped with a high-quality suspension system, which absorbs shocks and bumps on rough terrain. This feature significantly enhances the overall riding experience, providing greater comfort over potholes and uneven surfaces. As someone who has ridden various types of bikes, the smoothness of the ride on this electric model is notably impressive. The adjustable seat ensures that riders of all heights can find their perfect position, contributing to a comfortable ride. Safety is a crucial consideration for any cyclist, and this electric bike does not disappoint. It features front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. The lights, both front and rear, enhance visibility, ensuring that you remain seen during evening rides. The reflective strips on the tires add an extra layer of safety, particularly important for urban riding. When it comes to aesthetics, the bike boasts a sleek and modern design available in various color options. The sturdy aluminum frame feels robust and durable, which is reassuring for long-term use. The folding mechanism is cleverly engineered, adding to the bike's appeal without compromising its structural integrity. Despite its numerous advantages, there are a few minor drawbacks worth mentioning. The weight, while manageable, could be a concern for some users who may struggle with lifting it in and out of vehicles. Additionally, the bike size when unfolded might be cumbersome for those with limited space in their home or apartment. Lastly, while the bike performs admirably on flat terrain, it can be less efficient in extremely hilly areas without proper gear adjustments. In summary, the 1000W folding electric bike stands out for its powerful motor, impressive range, and convenient folding design, making it an excellent choice for both commuters and recreational riders. With its blend of functionality, comfort, and style, it is an investment worth considering for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring scenic trails,